Alright, so I know it's been a few weeks since I did a video, but thought I'd show an update of what's been done. So this is the Ranch Hand Legend front brush guard. This thing was 302 pounds shipped, 289 installed. Once you get all the fun stuff off of it, it does have a 2-inch receiver on it, license plate bracket. Those are the factory fog lights off of, again, the factory bumper. Those I will be replacing. And then you can see my block heater. I need to do a different plug-in now that I've done a different bumper. I'll probably end up doing kind of like what you saw me do on the camper and also the cargo trailer camper build, where I did the NOCO through the wall port. And I'll probably end up doing that like in a fender well or something, to where I don't put anything through this bumper. But it is stout. Love it. Every vehicle I've ever owned, you know, I started out with little cheap, you know, $189 Summit Racing chrome bolt-on that just adds on to your factory bumper. And then I bumped it up. On the last truck, had steel craft, but these, if you watch the stories on them and how they save people's lives if you do end up getting hit and so on and so forth, it definitely puts things into perspective about, you know, where to put your money. But I was seriously concerned that I would not like the look once it got put on, but I do. That was quickly taken away from anything in my mind as soon as I saw it installed. So that is it. I'll post some pictures showing you know, what it started at, and you now see the video of where it ends at. And then next I'm debating about some amp steps. I'm thinking a 3-inch suspension lift and then possibly 37s, because these 35s already look dwarfed. But you know, you can see the Yukon diff cover very nicely now, so that's an added perk. But I'll shut up and I'll just do a once over of the whole bumper. And then that design matches the pipe design of the rear. And there's the factory bumper I need to throw on Marketplace. We'll get that out of the way and get moving on the next project. All right. Thanks for watching.